Hello, guys. So, our topic today is all about Q. Spelling here is Queuue. It's called as Q or pronounced as Q. So, do not forget that the topic here is all about Java programming. But of course, let's proceed with our lecture first. Okay? So, when you say Q, it is a linear data structure that follows the method what? LIFO or FIFO? It is the method FIFO. You know why? LIFO is already used when it's the topic stack. FIFO is for Q. Okay? So when you say FIFO, it is called as first in, first out, while the stack is last in, first out. When you compare these two, you can see that in LIFO we use a container, a linear one, but it's like a cylinder, more likely a cylinder. When we call this, for example, we can call this stack as color, and we want to push a value. If we push a value, it goes underneath instead of going up the middle or wherever you want to be. It goes underneath. So an example here is R, G, and B. Of course, the first one you pushed here is R, next one is G, next one is B. But when we use pop, we remove the last one, not the first one. Okay? While for FIFO, instead of a linear or like a cylindrical container, remember the word line. It's more of like people falling in line. For example, we have three people here, which is Mark, Ian, and Bob. So Mark, Ian, and Bob are buyers, and they want to buy the new released iPhone 19 Pro Max. Okay, and here is the cashier. Now, when I added this cashier, who do you think is the first in line? Of course, the first in line obviously here is Mark. The last one here is Bob. We also have another term here in Java programming that when you're at the first one, we also call you as the front. And at the last part, you are called the rear or the back. Okay? So, when we use the operations push and pop, always remember that in a line, when you push the first one, it goes here. And if you want to push again, it goes here. And another one, it goes here. It looks like a line, right? A line waiting for them to buy something like the iPhone. Okay? So when it comes to this one, when we want to pop, what do you think or what value do you think will be removed? Number 3, number 2, or number 1? So when we pop, do not forget that we are always using FIFO when we are talking about Q. FIFO is the first in, first out. So it means that when you use pop, number 1 gets out. So after popping, the only values left here are 2 and 3. Okay? So before anything else, let's proceed to our basic operations. Okay. So for basic operations, we have a few things here to remember, especially when it comes to our topic Q. So the first one here is on Q. So when you say on Q, but all just for reminders, like legitimate reminders, that the basic operators are not code snippets. These are just the operators that you can use or understand in an easy way instead of using the code snippets. Okay? So when you say the operator on Q on our topic, this is to insert value. What if we want to remove? We use the operator TQ. Okay? So what if we want to pick, or we want to show in our queue the first one? We use the operator get front, okay, to check the first one. And now, what if we want to check the rear instead of first one? We want to check this one. We use the operator get rear, okay. And next one, what if we want to check if the queue is empty? We use the operator is empty, okay. What if I want to check the size or make the output as number 3 because the size of our queue is 3? We use the operator size, okay.